Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming with some products that a beauty brand gave me. The brand is called Esqido and I'm going to be testing out their black and brown gel pencil eyeliners. So stay tuned. So I already did a little bit of eyeshadow. I used my Morphe Oh Boy palette to do my eyeshadow. And it's just really simple. I'm thinking about using the black. Here's both of them. I'm thinking about using the black on the top and just kind of like smoke it out on the ends, and then the brown in the waterline. And we'll see how that works. I thought I wanted braids for this video, but I might take my braids out. Yeah, I'm gonna take my braids out. I will go ahead and say that this won't be like a first impression because I have opened these and looked at them before. And I believe I tried using the black one already. So here's what it looks like. Yeah, I have makeup all over this. So here's what it looks like. You twist it down here to make it taller. So that's the black one, and the brown one's similar. Well, the exact same. Just brown, like a darker kind of brown color. The brown, you just twist it up to get, you know, it taller or whatever, and then twist it back down. You gotta twist the big part because the small part twists too. You gotta twist the bigger one. So the rest of my face is done, eyeshadow is done. We're gonna go ahead and start with the black gel eyeliner pencil. So let's see how this works. I'm just gonna draw a line on the top lash line. Okay, ooh, very nice. Okay, so here's the difference. I really like it. It went on really smooth, very soft, but I like the way that looks just by itself. And I'm gonna smoke it out, but it looks pretty good, right? Okay, let's do the other one. Okay, this eye came out a lot thicker, but no problem because I can always make this one a little bit bigger. So let's make this one a little bigger. Okay, so they're roughly the same size now. This side is still a little bit bigger, but here's what it looks like. And this is still before they get smoked out. Okay, so now I'm going to take one of my little tiny brushes. It's really super compact and it really kind of like fine details everything. And I'm gonna take the black from my Morphe Boss Mood palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and smoke out like right above where the line starts and right towards the end on both sides. This one is smoked out, this one is not yet. So you can see that this one still has kind of that harsh line, and this one is a lot softer looking. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start that other eye. Okay, so both sides have been smoked out with the black eyeshadow. Here's what it looks like so far. This side is still, it still looks a lot thicker, but it's not too noticeable, especially when I have my eyes like fully open, but I still like the way it turned out. Yeah, I like that. So this end, the end of it, I forgot. This is what you use to sharpen the tip. So the end of it comes out. This is the end. and then you sharpen the tip like this. Just like that, comes out, goes back in. This is the lid, this side. So now let's look at the brown one. I'm gonna put this on the lower lash line. Okay, so this is one eye. This eye is done, this one is not. And that's what it looks like so far. Okay, I'm gonna go in and do the other eye. So, this is what it's looking like. Both eyes have the top and the bottom liner on. Black is top, bottom is the brown. So I really don't need to do much to the lower lash line because the brown is showing up pretty nice. But I do want to go ahead and take a small little angled brush and kind of like smoke it out a little bit more so it's not as harsh. Okay, now that the lower lash line is smoked out, I'm going to add some mascara to the top and bottom lashes real quick. This is a completed look. Hope you guys enjoyed watching, and definitely a big thank you to Esqido for sending me their gel eyeliner pencils to try and review. I'm more of a liquid eyeliner girl and that's what I'm used to, so I haven't done pencil in a long time, but these are really nice, really creamy. They ended up smoothing out really nice and I really liked that about them. This is the completed look using the Esqido eyeliner gel pencils. Thanks guys for watching.